like. Let's go, turkey. Let's go. Go. Ayag. Okay. What's that?
I don't know.
They are makahiya.
Yes, they are makahiya.
Oh, you know why they are called makahiya? Because they close. Makahiya. Hiya means shy. Look, when you touch them, they are gonna close.
Gross.
Close?
Ew, they're so gross.
Not gross, close.
They're so gross.